What's good, YouTube? This is Double Level Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to hop on camera today and just to give you a site that I just stumbled across not too long ago. It's called LeadsLeap, and here with LeadsLeap is another form of a traffic exchange where you could be able to promote any opportunity and get an amount of exclusive traffic to your business. And you do that by also viewing other people's traffic as well in returns to earn credits to be able to get your offer shown to many people that's on this platform. And this platform has a lot of features. Here in the back office, I'm going to show you. If you look over here to the side, on the left hand side, where you can earn credits, and you can get started with this program for free. So just for free, all you have to do is check out sites that's on the side. People is promoting their opportunity right here on the side, and you click on their ad. That way you can be able to earn credits. So they have a lot of different types of selections that you can do with LeadsLeap. And I'm going to show you right here. If you can see, you see where it says traffic. This is where you can get all your traffic at. You can post ads right here. You can see free. You post pro ads. That's once you become a pro member. With the pro member package, you get to do a number of things. Like you get to get list management, email series, broadcast, blogs to broadcast, YouTube to broadcast. So, you know, it's different tools once you get the pro, but just by being a free member, you get to earn commissions as well, where you are about 25% commissions, as well as still be able to view ads and, you know, gain those type of credits. So this is very incredible if you are low on budget, if you don't have the amount of budget to spend on solo ads or cost per click. LeadsLeap can be very good for you. And I'm just going down here. They also have a page builder where you could build your own page with this. They have a lot of tools, like you could customize your own page. You can have your own autoresponder. I believe with GetResponse and Aweber attached to this, or you could also use the LeadsLeap autoresponder. You also can have PPC earnings, affiliate commissions, credit. You see all this? This is, you know, a business in a box, and this is one incredible way where you could be able to get traffic daily traffic, because you need signups, you know, in order for you to grow your business. And this is very effective, and I had started using this program, and you know, it really did give me lots of traffic. I could show you my stats. They also have a tracker on here where you could track down the amount of clicks that you get, the amount of unique people that join, that not join, but you know, see your offer. As you can see right here, 7 days. You see right here, I got LeadsLeap tracker. You know, I also do cross promotion too. So I use sites like Hercules Plus and promote Hercules Plus on here. Traffic ad bar, you know, different types of other traffic exchanges I promote on here, because it's best to use something that people need, promote something that people need. People need lead generation. People need advice on how to build their business. That's the type of things that you would like to promote. You don't want to do too many business opportunities, because everybody already runs a business. Everybody already a part of a business. So it's best to give something that's got value to it, that can help people out. And as you can see, look all these people that, you know, with this 7 days, 275 unique and real. So you got real people that's on this site surfing through, checking out different types of offers that could be able to help them. So it'd be very good for you to promote your product to help other people, so you could be able to get those affiliate commissions too. And you take those commissions and then investing into more traffic. So that is the name of the game. And if you like to get started with me here in LeadsLeap, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you check out my upcoming videos, tips and tricks and strategies on how I get traffic. I do lots of different testing to see what works, what doesn't work. And I would like to show the people who team up with me how to do the same. All right. So I just wanted to give you a little brief tutorial on what LeadsLeap is about. Like I said before, you can check out all these different types of features, and I advise you to, if you can, upgrade to the pro level, where you could be able to get all of the features that comes with LeadsLeap, and you get to be able to open the door to get more and more traffic to your business. All right, so that's all I have for you today. This is Double O with Astro. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if this video done some good to you. Also, leave your comments below. That way I will be able to get back in contact with you if you have any questions or concerns. You can also leave me a message on Facebook, because that's what I be on. And I also be in other social media networks, as you see also in the link in the description. All right. Well, that's it for today. This is Double O with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.